Hey guys, I'm back and today we are doing remote by Hack the Box. This is a Windows machine and it's part of liankusangi's OSCP like list. This is basically just a list that preps you for the OSCP. And this machine is rated easy by the developer, but the community is rating it as a medium machine. But we're going to take a look at it by diving into it. So first, I've already ran my port scan, my alt port scan over here, and then my other port scan where I use each individual port and I use SC and SV on them and output that into a file. So from here, we have FTP anonymous login. We see HTTP with this showing in the home as the title, pretty much. RPC bind, port 111. NFS over here. We have SMB as well. Another thing which relates to NFS. Um, and yeah, and then we have WinRM over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start off with FTP. So first of all, let's get out of here. And I'm just going to do FTP and yep. Just should double check it's 1.8 correct. And I hate when this happens, but this keeps happening over and over again. It's really annoying. Let's just give this a minute. I think it's more of a VM issue now. Sudo apt update Kali. Hmm. No, let's just give this a moment. Oof. I'm thinking of pausing it every time an issue like this happens so you guys don't have to wait. So I think that's going to be better. So I'm just going to pause the video, and right when this works again, I'll run this command. Alright, I got it to work, so let's get into this. Anonymous and anonymous. What the hell? Did I write anonymous incorrectly? Yep, I did. Anonymous and anonymous. So there's nothing in here. I'm just gonna double check by running my FTP command that I usually run, which is this one right here. And we'll change the IP to 10.10.180. So let's see now. So there is nothing here actually. Okay, we'll leave FTP for now. Let's go on and try, just take a look at 80, just take a look at the website, it's good. So let's go here. Oh yeah, we also have SMB that we should check out. 10, 10, 10, 180. Going nowhere. Goes to a product page. People. So we have some names over here. Alright, we'll come back to this because this is going to be a lengthy enumeration. Let's try SMB now. 180. Let's see if this works. Nope. Okay. Let's try guest. So SMB is pretty much useless. Now we'll try 111 and 2049. Should be my notes right over here. So from here we can do show mount and X. First identify them. Let's first identify them. And 10, 10, 180. So we do have one. Now from here we can just create mount and explore the share. Let's create a directory called target. Let's mount it using this. Sudo mount tnfs p everything into target. Okay, let's do 10, 10, 180 Cali, and it worked. Now we should be able to go into this and see what's inside. Site backup. Wow, so we do have some things in here. So this is about the site. I don't know where I would start, to be honest. So we can first look at the web.config, super important file. I think we're gonna collapse this and do this command again. Mission key, nothing here. grep pass. Username, password equals password. Hashed. So it kind of looks like we have to get a good idea of the website and enumerate that. So I am going to go 10, 10, 10, 180, and let's start our normal FUB scan. Do we look at the, yeah, let's look at subdomains first, because why not? And from here we can just do filter size 6693 and IC to filter the comments. Let's let this run. Until then, we'll check out some things in here. So from here, let's go to config. That's what's popping out to me. And we have a couple of configs in here. I mean, like the thing that's upsetting me is that I might have to look at all of them. So that was scripting. Nothing in there. Cat trees.config. So nothing seems to be in here either. Just check up on this. I hardly doubt it's going to be this though. Umbraco. Alright, let's leave this actually. And I want to do IC. Home, contact, install. What is install? We also have blog. And this takes us to Embraco. Perfect. And this is where we want to be. Your username is usually your email. And then in Embraco, we also have blog. What is blog? I'm going to check out blog and I'm going to check out person. Oops. Let's go back. This people thing we might want to take a note of. So we have installed nano. Users, we'll add this guy here. We will add this one. just in case. Now we can just do clear actually. And from here, we know that we are, if we do install, we are over here at a login page. What I want to do now is I want to first try admin, login failed. Forgot password, nope. Default credential, default creds for Umbraco. Admin and test. Admin and test. Did not work. Okay, that's fine. Alright, from here, let's check out the source code. What the hell is this? Oh. Okay, we can close this. So we have this directory here. Let's go to Umbraco and config. Okay, nothing here. There's another place called install. CD views. We do have the version of this now. I think this is it. Let's try this. Umbraco. what we're going to do here is do another fuff with this. So we do have a couple of hits. We can try members for something. Forbidden access. Okay. You can try developer. Forbidden access. We do have default something here as well. Nope, nothing worked. And how about if I change this to search forbidden and config. Wait, application is 200. We can give this a shot. What the hell is all this? Alright, so we can leave that and leave this. Now I definitely gotta check something in This is a site backup. Where do I start? CD members. I know we saw some members directory. Cat search. What do you have? We got this. Cat view members. Nope. And cat member search. So this is how we search for members. Cat view member. Nano test. Nope. Alright, let's just take this one by one then. Let's start with action. And action has this, publish. Nothing is going to be important here. Let's start then asset. Nothing's going to be important here. Config, cd config, grep our password, and we should see cd create. Nothing here. But if we go to language, we have all of this. I don't think it's going to be in here. That was config, client redirect, nothing in here, controls, nothing in here, cd tree, cd create, grep, cd dashboard, user control, okay, cd developer, cd dialog, that was install master pages, cd members, so that was okay. Let's go to settings, no, cd web services, cd install cat user, cat database, cd scripts, nope, cd users, cat overview, cat users, what the hell, cd member, actually let's do cd member, cat list, nothing here, so that was Umbraco over here. This is so much to navigate. Umbraco client. Don't think we're gonna have anything in here. We do cat web config. Umbraco. Let's do some research. First, let's go over here. Umbraco. Umbraco exploitation. Yes, there's an RCE. I know you need authentication. So we go Umbraco, where is credential files? Hmm. I know I can do that, but I feel like that's not the way in. It keeps talking about a file called SDF. So I'm thinking of doing find .sdf. Where is credential files in the backend? There's also this. I think I'm just wasting my time. I should just do it the other way. Okay, let's do this and see the result. I'm live, so it works. This is the place where it is. Let's now try to create this nobody user. Create user for NFS. Mounting. Nope. Alright, perfect. Mm. So now we gotta. I feel like it's going through the long process. I've done this before. And we can try here. Hmm. Let me just create a user. Create user in Linux. Alright, this is us. Kali user. We need to get this. Nobody. What the hell? Oh, we already have this. Don't do sbin user bin. Oof. Okay. Okay, let's do this now. Nobody. Great, okay. Let's go back and just check out. This has to lead to somewhere, bro. Remote, CD, and map. There has to be like some credential files in here. Oh, there it is. Fucking app data. Okay, it was here the whole time. Umbraco SDF. Okay. So now if we do we're gonna do this first. Start from the top. Admin.hackthebox.local administrator admin, and we have this whole thing. And this is probably some encryption. There's also Smith. There's a Smith. Okay, now there's quite a lot to look at. Let's take a look at and break this and see any decryption things for this maybe. Decryption. You can close all this stupidness. Oh, you're able to convert SDF to this. SQL. We do have this, but before we do that, I want to check out this as well. How about if I do strings on this? B8B starts over here. B8B. They're both different, but they're SHA-1. This one is the same as the top one. So let's try to. It's the same as the B. Okay, B8B 16AFB blah blah. Boring. Okay, they're both the same. Let's try to decrypt this first. Let's go to hash right here. Put this here. Save. Open file. Hash rock you. I forgot the code for SHA-1, but it should show me. The other one is for Smith. It starts with JX blah blah all the way here. The only one different is the bottom one. But they're both this algorithm, so. Ooh. And let's do M100. This shouldn't take that long. Oof. Correct. So the password for this was what? Bacon and cheese for admin. Okay, let's try this. Admin. Okay. This is it. Copy. Let's try this and put bacon and cheese. Come on, work. Thank goodness. Well, that got us on. So now we can just refresh our brain and do something else now. So we have this good creds here, and we can call this admin at like the box.local. Was that it? And call this bacon and cheese. admin at hackthebox.local. I actually want to try something first. Actually, no, I'm not even going to do that. Sursploit, Braco, and we'll try this. Sursploit this Python 3. Okay, let's not do Python 3, let's do Python 2. I think this is a valid error. What line is it? 34. Let's just fix this up real quick. Uh, 34, yeah, okay, that's fine. Do you have to fill this in? Seems so. Let's put this in. Admin at hackthebox.local. Let's put this in this. The host is 10.10.10.180 and the password is bacon and cheese. Let's run this. Okay, we'll do this. What the hell did it do? Let me take a look at the script. Okay, so we gotta go to the vulnerable website now. So from here we have this. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so it's just executing calc. And where's the reverse shell? Remote code, okay, it's just, never mind. Let's try the other one. Source exploit, Braco, remote code execution. The one that we did was 4.6, so let's do the search. Exploit cat 49. And then it gives us a command to run. Great. So you can just do this. Python 3.4.9h. Great. User admin at hackthebox.local. Password is bacon and cheese. Host is HP 10 10 10 180 and command to run. Let's try this first. And it worked. And if I do who am I, it worked. Now let's see. So let's go to rev shells. Change this to 14.11. Windows. Let's give this a try. Sudo netcat 8080. Paste all this in here. Parsing error. So it didn't work. We can try it again, but this time remove this. Oh, I think I should do command PowerShell. Then for arguments, do -a. Great. So we can do, oops, who am I? Who am I? /priv. And we have the C impersonate privilege. So I don't think this is going to be that hard anymore. There's something about this account that I remember. I believe it authenticates as a machine account, so I'm going to actually try this. Although we can just bring in like sweet potato and do all of that. I just want to try this. Sudo 0 dir 10 10 14.11 test. Ten 14.11 test. It doesn't work. Interesting. And let's try it one more time. 10 10 14.11. Okay, it doesn't work. No worries over here. Users. If you go to public and desktop, okay, this is where we have this. And what is TeamViewer? 7. So I'm take a look at this file. And yeah, okay, that's whatever. Let's get this over with. And let's start off by locate sharp YEFI. Let's do MSF Venom. Create this. 14.11. Let's also do system info. 64. Great. So we have this Python 3 HTB, and we can do wget 10 10 14.11 reverse.exe, out file, reverse.exe. Great, it's reaching us. I didn't mean to say touching us. I was gonna say that, but moving on. Sharp fs. This is how it's like. If that is potato.exe. Great, we do have it. Let's move this over here. And we can do wget 10.10.14.11 out file. Great. So reverse is on what port again? Reverse is on 8000. So let's do sudo netcat 8000 Kali. Let's do this. Perfect. We can do this. Program. And just do reverse.exe. If it doesn't work, we'll put the whole path. Who am I? Perfect. Yep. So yeah, that's it. We are done this machine. Administrator. Desktop. Perfect. Alright, so let me see how long this was. This was 1 hour 20 minutes. I would rate this actually in the easy area. I think the biggest mistake was that even though I knew what file I was supposed to look at, I didn't see app data directory, which just confused me so much. As well as I should have kept enumerating instead of sticking to one path, such as creating the nobody account somehow with that. I don't even think that's possible now that I think about it. I think I've tried to do something like this before in the CTF, create a nobody account, but I'm pretty sure that's not even possible. Um, and what else? Yeah, I guess it's just looking at the whole thing and not just diving too deep into one thing. Alright, so take care guys. Hope you guys learned something and yeah, just see ya.